2 T15 screws over here. One. Next, you remove the center console. Okay, right here. Plugs in there. These two. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
AC plug. Remove this one.
Move this one. Okay.
Number 7. Pull this out. This one comes out. One plug here. Factory USB here. And these are the plugs right here.
Okay.
Back in place. Plug them in. Okay. Make sure to plug this back in. Go there. Okay.
Okay.
I'll stop you there.
Control.
Or this one. Which? The AC climate controls.
Okay.
This, all you have to do is lift it up. Locking tab, locking tab.
Okay.
Take that out. Metal clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you put in your number 7. Number 7. Also the vents. Number 7 back in place. Put the screws back in. Screws back in.
下去都可以。开始。然后都有那个旋钮。然后 AC。开始。
68，你看现在是65，正常一样，66一样，67一样。等我下面调到68一样，69上面不动，70上面是69，差1度，然后一直差1度。你看这边也是66没事，67没事，68没事，69我这调69，下面68这一度没调， 再就擦了。另外一个上面这个95，当它不当过一会儿这个空调不出现的时候，会变成32。对，现在是32。如果我空调的界面弹出来的时候，它会95应该是正常的、正确的一个数字。但是，一旦你不调了，就不对了。这个风量也是调过了就没了，应该是级别不对，这里应该有7级还是几级？这里只有6个。等我再大一个最大的时候，这里是空的，这个倒问题不大。等我往回转一个，它才会出现。
这 UI 要改。
对啊，理论上是。然后就是这个算法呢，不知道谁把这个算错了。
好，
这个哈，
点一下啊。
还要滑吗？
可以了。
啊。啊。
导航点进去，点一下导航。